So I've just received some origami paper from the Origami shop, and I am about to open it. And it was surprisingly prompt delivery, so here we go. Let me just get my scissors. I should probably have brought a cutter or something, but this will do. It's very well sealed, I'll give them that. Looks very well protected and everything. So I'm supposed to have 5 different kinds of origami. It was a special package. Origami paper, sorry, yeah. Alright, let's see what we have here. Okay, so this one is the double-sided regular kami paper. 60 colors. This should be really interesting and fun to work with. And here we have also double-sided paper. So, and here we have different combinations of colors. I'm very excited about this one too. And foil paper. I've been waiting for this one in particular to make a couple of models that require something a little bit sturdier. And ooh, this is nice, iridescent paper or something. This is cool, 4 different colors. And I don't know if you can see, but they kind of shine a little. And what do I have here? This is, I guess, just regular crafting paper or something. Also very cool, will come in handy definitely. This is like tan color. And what is this? I think these are samples of all of those, basically. And this is all in French, and they've sent me a few samples to just kind of see, you know, what other kinds of papers they have, so this is cool. And all in all, this is supposed to be 350 sheets of paper. I'm very excited, and I can't wait to get started on making some stuff with this. So thank you, Origami Shop, for the prompt delivery.